Good afternoon, student of class 10. Today I will take the class of acid, base and salt, the remaining part. The first part I have already taught in Anandavarta. So now next part, the properties of acid. Properties of acid. What are the important properties of acid? You remember 5 important properties of acid. Number 1, acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Say hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. This type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Number 2, acid reacts with active metal to form salt and hydrogen. Say zinc, an active metal, reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Dilute acid. So acid reacts with dilute acid to form salt and hydrogen. Acid reacts with carbonate and bicarbonate to form salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Say if you add dilute hydrochloric acid to marble, marble means calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form salt, calcium chloride plus CO2 plus water. So this is another properties of acid. It reacts with salt, carbon dioxide, carbonate and bicarbonate to form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Similarly, when it reacts with sulfite SO3, it forms sulfur dioxide gas, CaCl2 plus SO2 plus water. So these are some important properties of acid. Similarly, base also reacts with some metal to liberate hydrogen gas. Normally, base does not give hydrogen with metal, but there are some special metal that reacts with base to form hydrogen gas. You remember these two metals, zinc and aluminium. Zinc and aluminium reacts with base, say Zn plus 2 NaOH give Na2ZnO2 sodium zincate plus hydrogen. Similarly, Al plus 2 NaOH plus 2 H2O give 2 NaAlO2 sodium aluminate plus hydrogen. So zinc, aluminium, lead and tin, they react with concentrated alkali to liberate hydrogen gas. Now in the acid and base, if you study what are common to this, if you consider some common acid, say hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, what is the common to them? All contain H plus ion. So H plus ion is common to all acid. Similarly, what is common to base? Say sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, KOH, lithium hydroxide, LiOH, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. What is common to them? Hydroxyl ion. So the common ion that is present in all acid are hydronium ion, H plus ion, and common ion that is present in all base are hydroxyl ion. The next, how will you identify whether a solution is acidic or basic? Say in the laboratory, you have given a colorless solution. How will you identify whether the solution is acid or base? That can be identified by using indicator. What is indicator? Indicator are the weak organic acid or base. Weak organic acid or base that gives different color in different solution. That is, indicator give one color in acid solution and another color in basic solution and another color in neutral solution. The common acid base indicator are methyl orange, litmus and phenolphthalein. These are the 3 common acid base indicator. If you take the litmus, it give red color with the acid solution, blue color with the basic solution. And what is the color of litmus in neutral? Purple color. So litmus gives red color in acid. If you add some blue litmus solution to the given unknown solution, If the solution turns red, then it is acidic. If the solution turns blue, then it is basic. Similarly, methyl orange, another indicator which is orange color. In acidic solution, it gives pink color, and in basic solution, it gives yellow color. Phenolphthalein, another indicator which are colorless, which is colorless. In acidic solution, it is also colorless, but in basic solution, it gives pink color. So you must remember these three common indicators: methyl orange, phenolphthalein, blue litmus or litmus. Blue litmus convert acidic solution to red, red litmus convert basic solution to blue. Methyl orange in acidic solution it changes its color from orange to pink, and in basic solution it changes its color from orange to yellow. Phenolphthalein in acidic solution it remain colorless, and in basic solution it become pink color. Now say you have taken a solution of acetic acid, very weak acid, and a solution of hydrochloric acid. Now both are acidic. Now if we add blue litmus, both become red, but you cannot identify which is stronger acid, which is weaker acid. So to identify whether the acid or base is strong or weak, we use another indicator that is known as universal indicator. Universal indicator. What is universal indicator? Universal indicator are the combination of two or more indicators which gives different color at different strength of acid and base depending upon the pH of the solution. If the pH of the solution between 0 to 2, that is strong acid, it gives red color. When pH become 2 to 4, that is moderate acid, it gives orange color. When pH become 4 to 6, that is very weak acid, it gives yellow color. When it is neutral, that is pH 7, it gives green color. In weak base, pH 7 to 8, it gives indigo color, blue color. In 9 to 10, it gives indigo color. And when strong base, that is pH 11 to 14, it gives violet color. That is color changes from VIB, VIB, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. It is at very strong base, that is pH 12 to 14. The red color pH 0 to 2, pH 0 to 2. So by using the universal indicator, we can identify whether the solution is strong acid or strong base, or weak acid or weak base. This is known as universal indicator. Now last point that we discuss, what is the pH of solution? What is pH? pH is the scale which determines the strength of acidic or basic solution. pH, the P stands for potence, P-O-T-E-N-G, a German word, mean the power. That is pH is the power of hydrogen ion concentration. Power of hydrogen ion concentration, it is given by the formula minus log H plus ion, negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. The pH of acidic solution 0 to 7. If pH is 0 to 7, this is acidic solution. If pH is 7, this is neutral solution. Neutral solution. And if pH 7 to 14, this is basic solution. So there is a scale of 0 to 14. In between 0 to 7, it is acidic. Between 7 to 14, it is basic. At 7, it is neutral. Lower the value of pH, stronger will be acid, and higher the value of pH, greater will be, stronger will be base. So this is the pH of the solution, power of hydrogen ion concentration. In the next class, I will discuss about the importance of pH and preparation of some important salt.